Everybody from Mallorca. I'm here for a new destination wedding we have today. It's really hot. So some of you asked me what I carry in my bag. I decided to make this video because from last year I made my bags smaller and lighter. I bought this Low Pro in Amazon. I show you what I carry for my destination weddings. So inside there is a Leica Q2 with this 28 millimeters and Fuji X Pro 2 with 35 millimeters, Fuji batteries, Leica batteries, DJI Mavic Mini, 56 millimeter Fuji, 27 millimeter Fuji, just for be sure the other lens broke, the DJI remote. Here inside there are other DJI batteries and chargers, DJI chargers, Leica chargers, Fuji chargers, and also other batteries and cables. Outside you can find battery banks for mobile, masks, lot of masks because of COVID times, other cables, passport, and I always carry with me the thermometer because I have to check my temperature before travel. That's all. Wish you a nice day. Bye.